Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a few project shares for you today, and these projects are mainly from Sunday with them crafty girls. The first one I want to share is my let me get it. Oh gosh, I swear I didn't grab them. These are supposed to be for a challenge. Well, they are for a challenge. This is for Alicia, who is Little Paper Crafter here on YouTube and Instagram, and she is co-hosting this challenge with Maliza, who is sinfully underscore paper on YouTube and Instagram. So the two of them are co-hosting this challenge. You don't have to send anything in. You just do some bling. It's called hashtag bling your summer shoes 2023. So there you go. I picked up some of these flip-flops from Dollar Tree. I took some of my yarn from my stash and I crocheted around the thong is what it's called of this flip-flop, so that it was, you know, a little thicker. I wanted some more substance to it to be able to add some of the bling onto my flip-flop. Now, I also added a rosette. This is from Ebony, who is the crafty girl on YouTube, but on Instagram, she has an Instagram shop, and it's the Rosette Guru on Instagram. So I will have the links down below for everything, but this is from her rosettes that she sold, or that she does sell. This one's been in my collection for, I think, 3 years now. it's the one of the first rosettes that she made for me. So there it is. I did use a bunch of my flat back jemmies that have been in my stash, and I've never used them. So it's like, wow, perfect project. I mean, yeah, they're really large, and these are the Michaels. You know, you get the big plastic little containers full of all kinds of shapes of gems. So I just grabbed a bunch, didn't care which ones I got, and added it to the yarn, the thong of the flip-flop. It is usable still, but I don't think it'll be safe to go out with this. These are some buttons that I had in my stash. Some were gifted, some were just when I picked them up, when I saw them, like Walmart, Michael's, Hobby Lobby. I mean, I haven't picked up anything in recent, but this is what I have. So this is the pair of flip-flops. I will not be using them, but I might be using it to decorate my, just something on my craft room door. So that one is the first challenge. This is with Maliza and Alicia. So Little Paper Crafter and Sinfully Paper. And like I said, it'll be listed in the description box down below. Now, Alicia, who is Little Paper Crafter, has a separate challenge going on simultaneously. It's for the month of May, and it's for Mental Health Awareness Month. And all she's asking is to create some cards for mental health awareness and mail it out to people who you think would appreciate it or need a little bit of encouragement for the month of May. All you have to do is take a picture of the cards that you make, and however many cards you make is how many entries you get in the giveaway. And then you have to use the hashtag, let me see, May, hashtag May, M-A-Y, May You Be Happy Always 2023. And that is for Alicia, Little Paper Crafter. I didn't do too much to this because I'm not the best. So on Sunday, our little crafty group, we did the them crafty girls live, and Treese, who is Treese's Crafty Life, was the one who shared how to use one 12 by 12 page of paper and just, you know, go from there. Now, I did do the 12 by 12 paper, but I also took another 12 by 12 that had some, you know, images that I could fussy cut, and that's what I've done. This is the first one, and this little girl is on the same sheet as the other girls that you'll see. Then there's another 12 by 12 that had just hearts. This is all the same paper collection, paper pad. And let me share with you. This is from Hobby Lobby, and it's the Paper Studio And there's foil details on there. The name of the collection is Unicorn Magic. And you get 20 designs, 3 of each design. And this, I got this way back. So it's not even a recent purchase. I don't even know. 2019 when that paper collection came out. So anyway, finally got into the paper pad. Fussy cut the hearts, fussy cut the girl. This sentiment right here on the front, it's a sticker, and it's from the KS Craft sticker set. And you could get some of this on Amazon if it's still available. This is from KS Craft, Junk Journal Sentiment Stickers. It says Judy Craft, but it's sold by KS Crafts. And there's a white set, and then you get the same words or same sentiments, but in black with the white print. Okay, so if you're interested in that, check it out. KS Craft is also on Ali. I don't purchase through Ali, so if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. So here's the first card. I keep showing you the first card. Here's the second card. I used this sticker. The sticker came from a Dollar Tree sticker set that I received recently from Louisa with her Hello Kitty backpack. And it came from there. I used a few pieces, but you'll see that here in a minute. Oh, I also fussy cut that heart right there. And I did some doodle lines around the edging and the heart edge there. So this one, I just used the sticker sentiment again. Fussy cut the girl. Used my sticker from that Dollar Tree pack. And I also added stickles. So if you're wondering where's all that shine coming from, that's the stickles. I just added some, just a little bit. Here is the third card. And these are already, they've already been die cutted in my stash. I just kept them in a tin. So these are like leftover die cut pieces that, you know, I just held on to because they're heart shapes. So I kept a few of them in a tin, and I put these two pieces together. They weren't meant to be together, but I did. I put them together, and I doodled a little string there, drew it out, added some stickles. I used my Ohuhu marker also on that string. Added more stickles to her unicorn headband, her hair, her skirt, and then also underneath the sentiment. It's another sentiment again. So did some doodling up there and on the edge down here. So that's number 3. There's not the cards are all blank, guys. There's nothing on the inside. So you're free, your person's free to use it as they want. Here's another sentiment again from the same sticker collection. No beauty shines brighter than that of a good heart. Did a little doodling on these strips, and then I added stickles on top. And here's another sticker, the unicorn, and I added stickles there. This Stay Wild came from that sticker set that I just shared from Dollar Tree. This is also from a Dollar Tree sticker collection. And I just got it out of this one and also from Louisa. So right there, you get the little unicorn right there. So I grabbed that out and threw it onto the card. In the background, it was a plain white cardstock, and I used my Ohuhu markers to make a stripe going through the back. I thought that was cute. And then the last one I want to share with you, I used stickles again around the edging. This is another sticker from that same sticker set from Dollar Tree. This was already die cut out, and I just put the two pieces together again, added some stickles around the edge of the heart. And then this is the paper from the 12 by 12. 2 triangles, spread them open. Nothing on the inside. And then that's it, guys. That's all I had to share with you from Sunday. Now, I recently was asked if I could make something for as a step-in, as an angel for a swap. So I put together this little embellishment book really quick, and this book measures let's see, 5 inches by 7 inches, so 5 by 7 inches tall with a 2-inch spine. And then there's only 2 pages in there, but this is the paper collection I'm using is Dulce by Frank Garcia. And this was what I did. I stitched the layering pieces. You can see these panels are all stitched. And then I added my sticker down there in the bottom. I added some seam binding so that we could close this up once I get my embellishments loaded in there. And on the layering pieces on the inside, I stitched also. A little stitching on this one and just glued it to the page. I did not stitch on these little in-between spaces. I just left them and glued it on. So this is a flap, and I glued it onto the book, but I turned it into a page, a pocket page. So instead of gluing this shut on top, I only glued this side and the bottom, and then I glued it down onto the book. I could probably do a separate video and show you a tutorial. So this is a Kids Craft die again. This is the cookie sheet. I just cut it out of glitter and I stuck it in there so I can add some seam binding onto these. And then that will, you know, decorate a little bit more and it'll become some kind of decoration or ephemera piece, embellishment piece. So here again, in between, I only have these two flaps really right there. Another pocket, more stitching. I just used the Dulce paper again, cut it out. And then here on the back part, I added this KS Craft planner pocket die set. And I put the clear on there because I didn't want to cover up that beautiful paper. And I used double-sided tape to stick it down. Hopefully this will stay attached, but I will make sure before I send it to just keep pressing it down, making it stay where I need it to. The pocket is not flat because I used acetate and it just happened to bow up a little bit. So if you could see the bowing right there, it doesn't lay flat, but it's acetate. So if I want to put in some chunky embellishment pieces, that'll work out perfect, right? So I'm going to stick those in there. I'm not done. I just really just completed the base for the embellishment book. And by the time I'm done, this book will not be closed like this. It'll probably be a little more spread out because we need to add some chunky embellishments because it is an embellishment book. I'll do the decorating later and then it'll be ready to be shipped out. So thank you all for watching. I think that is it for my project shares. Don't forget to check out the ladies down in the description box below, and it's not too late to join their challenges. And with those two projects that I just shared with you, you just have to complete the project, take a picture of it, share it on Instagram, use their hashtag and tag both of them, or yeah, tag the ladies so that they know that you've completed the project and you're participating in their challenge. So thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.